I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Sign into your Xbox account and open the guide using the Xbox button. Navigate to people or recent players and find the user you need to report. Make sure you have any saved clip or transcript ready before proceeding. If you captured an audio clip, confirm it is under 1 minute for quick review. Keep a note of the date and time of the incident for reference. Stay calm and objective when you prepare your report information and evidence. Select the player profile from recent players or from party chat and choose Report. Pick the appropriate category such as harassment, hate speech, or threats from the list. Use the description field to type a concise, factual summary of what occurred and when. Attach the saved audio clip or capture that best shows the behavior you are reporting. Confirm and submit the report. You will receive an automated confirmation message after submission. Keep your account and privacy settings secure while waiting for a response. After you submit a report, check your Xbox messages for automated confirmation and status updates. While waiting, block or mute the offender and immediately leave the party to protect yourself. If the voice chat contains credible threats, preserve the audio evidence and contact local law enforcement. Do not engage further with the reported user or try to collect additional proof alone. Review and adjust your privacy and party settings to limit future contact from unknown players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.